What's up? My name is Postell from Springfield, Massachusetts, and this is my bike check. Check it out. Today, I'm going to tell you a little about my frame. It's an Easter Grim Reaper Eternal. Yeah, that's the name. Got some shivs for the forks because I got to stay fit. Shadow tagged on the pegs for the ledges that I hit. Matter of fact, kids, I live in the shadow. I got shadow on my hubs, shadow on the stem above, grip so fly that I can't wear gloves. S&M slam bars, yo, I got to show love. Chromed out like the profile, see me shining, 20-inch rims. Alienation design of deviant at the helm with delinquent behind him, and it's pivotal. I sit on a mutiny. Need no scrutiny, white pedals like I stand on steam. I'm keeping the spoke black, keeping up with the scheme. Y'all can't keep up with my team. TJD Form 3, yeah, we living the dream. KHE rubber, so you know I'm on my baller shit. And the best part of all is I traded up for all of it. So I gotta give thanks to both Jeff and Andy, oh so handy. Now my bike's sweet like candy, what? Indian giver, that's how I do it. Don't matter how you get it done, just get it done.